Hey, this is Jake. Welcome back to another video. And I'm going Skylander hunting. And I'll see you when we're at Walmart. We're pretty much halfway there already, so I'm gonna pause it again until we get there. Or closer. We're almost there. We only need to go straight, take a turn, and then go straight again, and then we're there. The Walmart sign! We're at Walmart. We're parking the car. Okay, see you when we get to the Skylanders. There. Okay, we're here at the Skylander section. Wow. Look at all the Skylanders they got. They have like the rarest ones. Jade firecracking. Oh god. Countdown kickoff. I could get him. Wow, which one should we get? Wow, that one's broken. How much is the... Wow. That's $13. Which one should I take? Okay, I asked my dad if I could get a swappable, even though I have like 14. What? Dad, look at this. This is $5 for a Skylander. So I could pretty much get like 2 of these.
3 of those.
Really? 3?
$5 a piece.
Well, it's not all of them.
Some that are 10.
What? There's some over here? Whoa, they have lightning rod. Wait, are these all the $5 ones?
I think so.
Yeah, but these are all the $5 ones. Should we? I'm just gonna get 3 of these. So we got lightning rod. So we got lightning rod. Dad, Dad, can you hold these that I'm getting? Let's get Zook. He's a good one. And who should we pick? Camo or Warnado? Let's go for Warnado. Okay. That I got the 3. So we got Zook, Warnado, and lightning rod. And see me in the video where I unbox them. So bye.